Welcome back to the channel. To date, we are reviewing UACE subsidiary ICT Paper 1 scoring guide which were released by Uganda National Examinations Board. This guide is an important learning resource because it helps candidates understand how responses are assessed and what examiners expect when awarding marks. As the pages appear on your screen, pay close attention to the explanations provided in the scoring guide. One of the key lessons from this document is that candidates are expected to provide practical and well-reasoned answers rather than short statements with limited explanation. The guide demonstrates how ICT knowledge can be applied to solve real-world challenges. Whether the scenario involves presentations, online communication, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data management, or remote collaboration, learners are expected to show how technology can be used effectively and responsibly. Teachers will also find this scoring guide useful because it provides a clearer understanding of the depth and quality of responses expected from learners. It can therefore be used to improve classroom discussions, assignments, and revision activities. As we continue through the guide, notice how many of the responses focus on problem solving. Candidates are encouraged to identify challenges, select appropriate ICT tools, explain their functions, then justify their choices. This shows that understanding how technology works is just as important as knowing its name. If you are finding this discussion helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We continue to upload educational resources, sample paper discussions, scoring guide reviews, and examination preparation materials. Another important observation is the growing role of digital communication and online collaboration. The guide highlights the use of presentation software, video conferencing platforms, cloud services, and AI tools. This reminds learners that ICT is constantly evolving and that digital skills are becoming increasingly important in education and the workplace. As you watch the solutions on the screen, we pay attention to how answers are developed. Strong responses often explain not only what should be done but also why it should be done. This ability to justify decisions is an important skill that can improve examination performance. The scoring guide also emphasizes responsible use of technology. Issues such as cyber safety, online behavior, privacy, ethical conduct, and data protection appear throughout the scenarios. Candidates should therefore understand both the benefits and responsibilities that come with using digital technologies. One effective revision strategy is to read each scenario carefully before looking at the scoring guide. Try answering the question independently and then compare your response with the suggested solutions. This approach helps identify knowledge gaps and strengthens understanding. If you have not yet subscribed, this is a great opportunity to join our learning community. More videos covering ICT, entrepreneurship, geography, biology, agriculture, history, chemistry, and other UACE subjects will be released soon. We are also preparing Senior 4 paper discussions, revision notes, and learning materials for O-level students. So whether you are preparing for UACE or UCE, there will be valuable content available to support your studies. As we come to the end of this review, remember that success in ICT requires both knowledge and practical application. Continue practicing, stay curious about emerging technologies, As we come to the end of this review, remember that success in ICT requires both knowledge and practical application. Continue practicing, stay curious about emerging technologies, then make good use of resources such as sample papers and scoring guides. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your classmates and teachers, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with Phonex online learning platform for more educational content. I wish you success in your studies and excellent performance in your examinations.